Hi, welcome to Regional Stocks, Futures and Forex with Jonathan. Today is 16th of June 2014. Coming to you just before the market opens, so this is just a quick update on what to look out for. Last Friday, Dow Jones up 42 points. But last Friday was also the start of the World Cup. So in other words, everyone is not sleeping. Well, we got some major upsets over the weekend. So Spain unbelievably just collapsed. So everyone was all watching out this World Cup. So somehow this World Cup so far underdogs has been winning. So watching out. Okay. So right now, what's going on next week? Next week on Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. On Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, let's just put it this way. Today is gonna be a little bit quiet. Today, not much of a major news. But coming Tuesday, we got Australia, but most importantly is the FOMC. Tuesday, Wednesday is the FOMC. Okay, so right now on the Thursday morning. Tuesday, Wednesday is US time. So we will know the result on the Thursday. So right now, do take note. Okay, few weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, Mario Draghi announced a negative interest rate cut. So this FOMC, everyone is going to be watching this very, very closely to see what would Yellen do. Okay, will the QE continue to taper or not, or will she do something even more drastic than that? Market is watching that out very, very closely. Okay, now in fact this week is going to be extra volatile because this is also the option expiration. But this is not only the normal option expiration, but this is also the quad-reaching option expiration week. That means everything just expires. Alright, so right now, low volume due to World Cup, FOMC and option expiration, volatility will increase. So this is going to be hopefully a one really wild swing. Okay, why? If you take a look at the US market, let me turn on the volume. You will notice something unusual about the volume. Yes, this is just an indicator of our volume. This is not the actual volume. But if you take a look at the Dow Jones, S&P, you notice the volume has been decreasing tremendously. It's really, it's not normal. Okay, it's not normal. We were coming into the summer a lot earlier. In fact, the summer started in April. Okay, so right now, let's take a look at the market. What's going on to the market in Dow Jones? Dow Jones, if you take a look over the last few times, Dow Jones has been retraces to the support. Okay, Dow Jones, okay, if you take a look at the Dow Jones, okay, has been, did I write about that? Yeah, about that. Has been retraces to the support. Dow Jones has been retraces to the FIBO support. And if you take a look right here, Dow Jones retraces to the FIBO support. Okay, chart. Okay, Dow Jones retraces to the FIBO support. Right. Keyboard. Okay, and right now I'm watching for Dow Jones because right now Dow Jones is at the FIBO support. Watching this out very closely. Now this candle, take note, it doesn't matter why, because this candle, if you take note, it's just this morning. So you can basically ignore that candle. Alright, so right now watching that out very closely to see whether do we have a rebound this week from the FIBO support. Do take note, FOMC and option expiration, so everything is going to be a little bit volatile on that. Okay, so we take a look at the Hong Kong market. Hong Kong market at resistance. So Hong Kong market somehow trying to consolidate, trying to break that resistance. Watching that out very, very closely. Germany, we broke through from the resistance, now came down, retraces. So watching out to see whether will we have a support broken turn resistance broken turn support. Watching that out, that level very, very closely. Of course, right now Nikkei, that's Nikkei, didn't do much. Of course, of such a strong upward movement, it still need to take a rest. So watching it out very closely. Nikkei watching this resistance, and Nikkei watching this support. Okay, watching that resistance and support right there. Euro dollar didn't do much after this strong FOMC. No, that's the non-farm payroll, came out over and just sit down there, so doing nothing much. Pound dollar, if you notice euro dollar and pound dollar, euro dollar is at the low, pound dollar is at a high. So a lot of people always say British always follows Europe. Not necessary. So right now, if you want to trade, you look at individual charts. Okay, gold has been retraces and continue to go even higher. Was doing a seminar on gold last week, so watching out for gold because gold right now near resistance. Okay, and now a quick update for Jakarta Composite. If you remember previously, I was sharing with you about this ascending triangle in Jakarta Composite, expecting on the upside. So this ascending triangle right now, potential profit target is 5200, would be in danger as of right now. Why? Let me remove this line and let me remove this line and you can take a look, because as this ascending triangle was forming to see more upside, however short term wise something new has formed over the last 2-3 weeks. If you notice that it has been sideways, in fact it's been sideways pretty much from March till right now. Main thing is all waiting for the July 9th elections. Okay, July 9th elections. But right now, as it was coming closer to the elections, there is a descending triangle being formed. Okay, so this descending triangle, now watching this out to see whether will this descending triangle gives us a short term, okay, give us a short term profit target of a downside, okay, downside. But this is only in play if the Jakarta Composite break below 4865. If Jakarta Composite break below 4865, we may be going potentially to 4690 thereabout, okay, which is this place, the prior resistance broken. Right now watching to see can we turn support. Okay, so right now, as of right now, nothing much to watch out for until the elections, okay, on July 9. So be very cautious, because right now anything can happen. If it doesn't break the 4865 and continue to stay above, potential profit target 5200. But if it close below 4865, potential profit target 4690. Okay, so that's all, a quick update for Jakarta. So be safe in your trading. I'll see you again next week. Thank you.